Hello guys, this is TG Tech Mobile Phone Clinic. Here we have Tecno K7 board. So the problem of this phone is I noticed the customer brought the phone that it fell inside the water. So, and again, when it fell inside water, he still went to charge, he still went to plug it on the electricity. He went to charge it. So I noticed that the screen flex is having issue. It has gone burnt. Can you see? It has gone burnt from here, although I've removed it. So I'm replacing a new one. I have a 40 board here. This is an X557 board. So I'm removing this clip. The screen clip of this one is the same thing with K7. So I'll be removing this one to replace it on this board here. So guys, just keep eyes on what I'm doing. So in case if you're having, and make sure your SMD workstation is being set to 2350 Celsius. Then the airflow should be 2.5 on 2.5 airflow. Then let's remove the clip. And again, I want to beg you guys for the background noise. I always do this, so I'm very sorry for the background noise. Please, can you bring the camera closer? So your temperature should not be too much. If it's too much, it's going to melt the plastic. Once it's too much, it's going to melt the plastic, and you must keep the paste on the plastic so that the place will be wet a little, because if it's not wet, the plastic is going to get damaged. And you must not force it. If it's not, if it's not removing, you don't have to force it. You wait until this thing gets heated up, and keep on adding paste. Once you see that paste is getting dried up, keep on adding paste. What do you want? You can see we have successfully removed this clip. This clip is not okay. So let's just mount it straight. Mounting it straight. Please, who is holding that chair, please? Akin, please help me to attend to them. Wow. Something just fell. The connector just fell now. So let me quickly look at
Daddy, no, you used to come on Saturday and Sunday. The phone had been off since last week. So no, on Friday, I never checked. She said I know how to charge that phone. This one the phone will be charging. It's drawing the battery. So then on Friday, I'm supposed to come back that Friday. But you have closed. By the time I came back, on Saturday we're not here. Sunday we're not here. So I just decided to continue. So that is off. It's not charging. Oh. But the off since that day.
Yeah, guys, I'm done. So I'll allow it to get cold. So after it gets cold, we are going to test it. So let's see our work. Trying to zoom the work. You can see it's very perfect. So I'm going to do a cleanup now. I'm going to do a cleanup. Can you just hold the camera for me? So let's do a cleanup. Understand? So sorry, that was our customer. Where is the other white chemical? Okay, we have our white chemical here. So guys, if you like this video, please click on the like button and please don't forget to subscribe. Please don't forget to subscribe. I'm sorry for the noise, customer. This place is not an enclosed area. It's not an enclosed area. Some open access, that customer has access to our office, our work station. We are trusting God for a bigger space. So let's see what we have done so far. You can see our soldering is our this thing is perfect. You can see. So now we should test.
1.5. How much last? 1.5 last. No, do a pot. Huh? 1.5 last. Huh? 1.5 last.
I agree, you don't answer. Well, see what you got. And then, now give me that thing. I will change that. Yeah?
Bye-bye. No.
Huh?
Abang kau nak ada.
Why you live like this now? So don't know who you get.
Clipping the touchpad, then I'm clipping the battery.
Now I am feeling for you.
Let's test if it's working. Let me on it from the board. Can see, guys. So it's working. After changing the screen connector, so it's working now. I think the battery is down. The battery is down. Is the battery down? No, it's not down. Still loading. Still loading. It's not down.
Ọjọ́ bá ń ṣe náà, àmọ́ tó bá lọ́wọ́ mi ni ẹ̀ bá rí ṣe báyìí náà, ó fẹ́ bójú mi jẹ́ ni. Ọ̀gá ẹ̀gọ́ ògòlògbò ojú mi jẹ́.